darlings, how are you all doing today? So your girl is back again with another video, and I just want to say thank you so much for my new subscribers. Feel at home. Just know that I love you so much and I really appreciate you. So you guys, we're already in December. Like what? The time just flew by. I just want to wish you guys a happy season and all the best. I mean, let's enjoy this December because the entire year has not been the best, so let's enjoy this month, okay? So you guys, a few weeks ago I came here and I was talking about Dr. Rachil's products, and you guys, I have gotten lots of questions and comments, and some of you guys were criticizing me a little bit, which I appreciate, by the way. And the thing is that most of you guys were telling me that maybe I bought the products from, unreliable platform, and I just thought to myself, should I go back to the market and buy the products again so that I can use them and come back here and review to you guys, because I just love giving you the best review ever. So your girl went back to the market, and this time round I actually got all of them. As you can see, this is the face cream, this is the eye serum, and this is the face serum, just the way I had explained before in the previous video. And if you have not watched that video, I'm going to link it in the description box below. Make sure you watch that video so that when you watch this one, you understand what I'm talking about. So your girl went back to the market and I got, the products from a different platform and a very reliable platform. And I have been using them for few weeks because I don't want to waste my time a lot. If you want to buy this product, just go for this. It is amazing and I love it. Actually, I have used it today and I think I'm glowing. Okay, I have used it today and I love it, and I just want to stand by saying that I only love this one and I don't love this ones at all, and that is my opinion. Maybe your skin type is different, maybe it will work for you. Just go and try it. I'm not here to push the products down your throat. Do what makes you happy. So the second concern and the major concern were people asking me, how do you use aloe vera? Because in that video I mentioned about aloe vera. Yes, I had very bad black spots around my face, this area, and they were really bothering me. Like they were there for I think 2 months. And what I did, I actually came to you guys and asked you guys for opinion, and most of you told me go and try aloe vera. I had never tried aloe vera on my face, you guys, and then I just took a leap of faith, and then luckily I have them in my backyard. I just picked this one now. Can you see that mchuzi mix? Can you see that juicy thing? That is what it is advisable when you're using. Try your aloe vera to be fresh. So immediately I started using aloe vera. Most of you have been asking me, how are you applying aloe vera? How did you use that plant on your face? Very simple, you guys. When you want something, you want it. This is very simple. So I'm just going to cut it into 2 pieces. How? And then be careful, it can easily prick you. It has very sharp thorns. You better be careful, okay? So this is how I would use them. Just cut them into pieces like so. Oh, okay. You guys know how much I like demonstrating things. I think because I love cooking. It's something in me. So I have just cut this right now, and as you can see, it has a lot of juicy thing. Can you see it? So what I used to do is just cut it this way. Oh my goodness, it is dripping. I'll just do this way. Oh gosh, wait, look at this. Okay, ngoja. I'll just open the aloe vera like this, and then I want you to put this in mind. My aloe vera is already washed. I picked them from the farm and I washed them immediately. And aloe vera has a lot of benefits, you guys. I never knew this when I was using, because I was just using to clear my... So when I cut this way, I just apply on my face, just simple like this. all over my face, and then I would leave the water from aloe vera to dry naturally after I have washed my face. And then you guys, it is advisable to use aloe vera 2 times a day. So I was using aloe vera in the morning and in the evening. It has a lot of benefits. First of all, it clears burns. And you have any type of burn, just apply it 3 times a day and it will clear the burn and the scar. Yes, believe me. Aloe vera is also anti-aging. It is very beneficial for women who are trying to fight age, and you know we should start using anti-aging stuff from early age. So if you have aloe vera in your backyard, start using it right now. Aloe vera has cooling properties and it is anti-inflammatory. It also helps in moisturizing skin, and especially if your skin is dry, aloe vera is going to work wonders. And then you know, one thing I love about aloe vera is that you can easily plant it in your kitchen. You don't require a backyard. Aloe vera also reduces infection and acne. So if you're suffering from acne, go for aloe vera. Aloe vera contains powers to boost your skin cells reproduction, and that way it helps in lightening the blemishes on your face. Okay, girl? Depending on your skin type, sometimes when you apply aloe vera on your face or wherever you're applying, you can feel that burning sensation. Right now, I'm already feeling it where I had applied now, and that's very much normal. Actually, when it's burning, you should know that aloe vera is working on your skin. Don't be scared. As long as it doesn't get near your eyes, just go ahead and use aloe vera. So basically, that is what I wanted to tell you about aloe vera, because I have gotten a lot of questions. People asking me, how are you using aloe vera? Yes, that is very simple, very clear. It is very easy to use aloe vera. Just apply it, give it some time to dry it. Personally, I was giving it like 20 minutes when I was removing the blemishes, the spots on my face, and then I would just wash it away, go back and use my face cream. For those who are buying Dr. Rachel's products to, you know, to remove the blemishes, the sunburn and all that, because I've gotten that question about the sunburn, then I would advise you to go for aloe vera. Then after you're done with aloe vera, wash your face and go back to your Dr. Rachel products. That way you're going to see miracles working on your face. Okay, so basically that's all I wanted to tell you guys, and just to clarify and show you what exactly I used. So girl, go plant aloe vera, go plant this plant, make it your friend, and yeah, you'll see a difference on your face. Thank you so much. I hope this was helpful, and yeah, thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.